In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost on Instagram using the built-in repost feature. Before we start, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. The repost feature lives in the newest versions of the app, so head to your device's app store and install any pending updates. If you don't see the repost option after updating, give it a moment or try restarting the app, as features can roll out gradually. Now find the post or reel you want to share. You can do this from your home feed or by visiting someone's profile and opening the specific post. Underneath the content, look for the new repost icon. It usually sits between the comment bubble and the share button. Tap that repost icon to start. You'll have the option to add a short blurb to go with your repost. To do that, tap the small profile icon that appears on the left. This lets you include context or a quick thought about why you're sharing the post. Keep it clear and respectful, since your followers will see this alongside the original content. When you're happy with it, tap Save. Your repost will be shared with your followers and show up in their home feeds. It also gets organized under a dedicated repost tab on your profile, so anyone visiting can see what you've reshared without it mixing into your original posts. If you'd rather share that content to your story instead of your feed, tap the paper airplane icon under the post and choose Add Post to your story. From there, you can customize it with text, stickers, or drawings to add context or personality. When it looks good, share your story as you normally would. Changed your mind about a repost? You can undo it easily. Head to the repost tab on your profile, press and hold on the thumbnail of the repost you want to remove, and select Delete Repost. That will take it out of your profile and your followers' feeds. Using Instagram's native repost tool helps keep proper attribution in place and avoids the need for third-party apps. If the built-in option isn't available for a specific post, or if you need an alternative, you can repost manually by saving the image or video with permission, then creating a new post and crediting the original creator clearly in your caption. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.